Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G22 smartphone, and in this video we will show the top 3 widgets for the home screen of this device. In order to access the widget menu, find any vacant spot you have on any of the home screens that are active. Here, tap and hold, go for the widgets, and here we'll be brought up to the widget menu where all the widgets are divided into convenient categories. So let's go ahead and start. The first widget that we would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. So look for the Google category, expand it by tapping on this arrow or at the category in general. And here, look for this search widget. So tap and hold, choose the place where you want to drop it at. I'll leave it on this home screen, for example. And once you want to regulate its size, you just gotta tap and hold on any particular widget. In our case, it's going to be the Google search bar. This frame appears, and by moving it like this, you'll see that the size of this widget is being successfully altered. The second widget that we would highly recommend that you add is the weather widget or clock widget. So here, look for the clock category at the widget menu. Choose any design that you'd like. In my case, let's say, for example, I'll go with this digital design. Tap and hold and choose the place where you want to drop it at. In my case, I'll leave it right here. Let's go ahead and set up its design as well. So we have either like the solid layout or the transparent one. I'll go with the transparent because it looks nicer for me. And the third widget that I would highly recommend that you add to your smartphone is the calendar widget. So here, look for the calendar category. Usually, since the word calendar starts with C, it will be on the top part of your widget menu. Expand it and choose what design you would like to go with, either the full scale one or the compact layout. I'll go with the compact layout. And what is that cool about this widget is the fact that once you have any added events or anything important noted or added to your calendar, you will not have to necessarily open the calendar application itself. You'll have this convenient widget right at the main home screen, for example, or on any other home screen that will show what kind of things and what things in general you have planned for today or for any upcoming days. So you'll be able to keep the track of everything that is important and added to the calendar app with ease. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!